Hello lovelies, welcome back to another Home of Nail Art tutorial. Today we're going over the Hailey Bieber glazed donut nail trend. You'll need a few things for this tutorial: the clear mirror chrome, HONA top coat, HONA base coat, and I've gone for a sheer nude colour, which is buff. It's the perfect tone to go underneath because it's not too pink, but it's that perfect milky peachy colour. So I've fully prepped the nail already, which included all of the cuticle work and buffing the surface of the nail, and now I'm just scrubbing the nail plate with IPA to make sure that it's fully dehydrated and ready for gel application. So the first step is going in with our complete base. I'm just making sure I'm applying a really thin, even coat of complete base, and then once that's all done, I can pop it into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Once I've cured that in the lamp, I'm going straight in with my first layer of buff. As I said before, it's the perfect shade. It's not too pink and it's not too white. It's got that perfect peachy, milky undertone. So again, I'm just making sure I'm applying a really nice, thin, even coat, and then I can pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Once that first layer of buff's fully cured, you can go in with your second layer. I did wipe off the inhibition layer on this occasion just because I had a little bit of a snag at the end of the nail that I wanted to file away, and I didn't want the dust to stick to the inhibition layer. But you can go straight in with your second coat, and again, once the nail's fully covered, including the free edge, you can pop that in the lamp to cure and go straight in with your high shine top coat. Our high shine top coat cures, leaving no tacky residue or sticky layer afterwards, and this is the most important part. That's what our chrome is going to adhere to. Once the top coat's cured, you can go straight in with the clear mirror. I'm just using my glove to very gently buff it in. You don't need to overwork it because the chrome is quite delicate. So once the nail is completely covered with chrome, I can go in with my makeup sponge and just collect any of the residue and bits of glitter that are resting on the nail plate. Getting into the habit of dusting off the excess chrome and using a makeup sponge to collect the excess chrome is a really good practice to avoid any of it going onto your brushes and then inevitably into your bottles, and making every single set you do very glittery. Now these next steps are absolutely vital for long-lasting chrome. So step number one, I'm going in with my file and I'm filing the free edge and the side walls. This just allows our top coat to adhere to something that isn't slippy or powdery. Then I'm going in with an acid-free primer just to add that extra level of adhesion. The primer is really tacky and this is going to help our top coat to almost cling wrap around the nail. Then I'm going in with a layer of complete base. Now our base coat doesn't cause any glittering on the chrome, so you're still going to get that mirror effect, but we'll also have something for the top coat to grip onto. We're going to apply this the same that we did before, so a nice thin even coat all over the nail plate, and making sure to cap the free edge before popping that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I completed the top coat off screen in the same way that I added the complete base, and now we're left with a beautiful Hailey Bieber glazed donut nail. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I know you're going to love using the mirror chrome. Thank you for watching, bye!